This is a day I've been waiting for 2.5 months. Every once in a while, a revolutionary product comes along that changes everything. Apple, for the past few decades, has been fortunate enough to be the company to introduce 3 of these products. In 1984, they introduced the Macintosh, changing not just Apple, but the whole computer industry. In 2001, they introduced the iPod, changing not just the way we listen to music, but the entire music industry. In 2007, they introduced the iPhone, changing not just telecommunications, but the way we live our lives. However, in recent years, Apple has grown stagnant. They've become content to merely re-release their old products with only slight improvements. They've refused to enter new fields, and to many, they've lost the title of innovator. We here at Gamma Production Group have taken on this mantle of innovation. We are proud to introduce our latest creations in our new line of ROV products, the NEC and the icon.
The NEC is the latest innovation in ROV technology by the Gamma Production Group. Imagine living life without being able to turn your head. Everything you do would be made harder, but observing your surroundings and analyzing what you see would be made the most difficult. This is how standard ROVs using fixed cameras operate. For many, this limited view is enough, but not for us. Using sophisticated biomimicry techniques, we brought the principle of the human neck into the world of underwater vehicles. The neck allows our ROV to have an unparalleled field of view by rotating the camera around the front of the ROV, making inspection of underwater cables unquantifiably easier.
When Jacob brought the neck to me, I was skeptical. Why would an ROV need a neck? It seemed impractical. Even when I had finished 3D printing, I still saw it as an unnecessary expense. But when I first saw the neck in action, I knew that we had made something that would change the course of history. I knew that the industry would never be the same. With its sleek design, the neck is able to effectively attach to both the camera and the servo motor, while minimizing the amount of material needed for a sturdy mount. In doing so, it provides an incomparable ROV piloting experience.
Now, what is the neck without the proper speed? In order to fully maximize the utility of the neck in reducing inspection speeds, we needed to make the ROV faster. But early on, we ran into a crucial problem. The thrusters can only output so much power. We, at Gamma Production Group, saw this not as a restriction, but as an opportunity. Instead of increasing thrust, why not decrease drag? Introducing iCone. As a swimmer, I can assure you it is crucial for an underwater body to have a streamlined shape to maximize forward velocity by minimizing drag. Our top scientists at GPG have conducted field tests which prove the effectiveness of the iCone. With the cone, the ROV reached a maximum velocity 3% greater than without the cone, allowing GPG's ROV to reach an impressive surge velocity.
During the early stages of bringing the iCone to life, we had to overcome many limitations in additive manufacturing technologies available to us. Due to size constraints we encountered while prototyping the iCone, we have been forced to create the iCone in multiple parts. But to solve this, the mechanical engineering team at Gamma has invented a new way to bring a seamless, cohesive iCone experience to the ROV, introducing Gamma BoltLink. BoltLink allows the 3 polylactic acid parts to blend seamlessly into one piece, minimizing the drag forces acting on the ROV. As we begin mass production, we plan to transition to state-of-the-art injection molding technologies, which will allow us to manufacture larger cones with a more cohesive design, providing an experience more seamless than the one previously provided by BoltLink. We believe the costs of the neck and the iCone pay for themselves through the increase in speed they cause, making both the neck and iCone essential parts of any ROV. This in turn creates a more iconic experience.